Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with sweet peas, and we're going to be making a creamy layered pea salad. So I'm going to start out with some lettuce, some chopped lettuce, I think it's some romaine. Then we're going to add some peas, and this is a one or two person serving. So when you're making a bigger salad, you're going to be able to decide how much you want and how thick your layers are going to be. Going to add a little bit of onion. Then we have Parmesan and some tomato. Not a lot. We're making, like I said, layers. Of course, a little bit of bacon love in there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and then I've kind of made like a little bit of a creamy dressing mixture here with some sour cream and some mayonnaise. The only other thing I'm going to add to that is a little bit of vinegar, some rice vinegar. So I'm just going to mix that up in here. So it's going to make a nice, like a, oop, I'm splashing it all over the place. It's going to make a nice, like a thinner dressing for this salad. So I'm going to just layer a little bit of that in there. Okay, moving on to the next layer. We'll just do this again. Some lettuce, peas, onion. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of our tomato on there. Parmesan cheese, bacon, and then again, season as you go. Don't skimp on the seasoning. Just because you're trying to go saltless or whatever, you need flavor in there. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add another little drizzle of our creamy dressing. There we go. And I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese. And why not with a little bit more bacon? There you have it. Oop, little drip right there. A creamy layered pea salad. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 e's.com.